Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, today is Monday. It is the 22nd of July. We are starting off the week with a brand new weekly vlog as we do every week. And this week, so happy that we already had food prepped and planned out for the week. So my husband made, and I showed in the last vlog at the end, he had already prepared some spaghetti and spaghetti sauce along with some kind of mini or smaller burgers. So I had my choice today. I decided to go with the spaghetti, and I'm so happy I did. Today is kind of like a overcast, cloudy, kind of gloomy day. So the spaghetti right now is kind of giving me more of a comfort meal, vibe. I really wanted pho or like some type of noodle soup, but guess what? This is gonna suffice. We had plenty of food at home. It's gonna suffice, and maybe I'll get my pho a little later in the week. But yeah, so just regular spaghetti noodles. He made the spaghetti sauce with hamburger, ground beef, and then I just kind of sprinkled it on top with a little bit of Parmesan cheese shreds and a little bit of cracked black pepper. So just super simple, nothing major, nothing fancy. I don't even have any, garlic bread or anything to go with it. I'm just sticking to the basics today. Today is one of those days I am so tired from the activities from the weekend. And then on top of that, just tired from a full day of work, and then the gloomy, rainy weather that this just came in today. I'm so ready for a nap. Like, it was so hard keeping my eyes open on the way home. That's how bad it was, but we're here, we're safe, we made it. I'm happy. So along with that, of course, you guys already know, iced coffee. Gotta have it. And I did refill my water cup. This is my water cup for the week, a little lavender. And then on Amazon, I got these little toppers here that I think are so cute because it's like a little cup. Super cute. So they came with like a few of them for like maybe $5 or $6. It wasn't too crazy. But yeah, I just thought that was so cool. So when I travel or if I'm moving around, the job site, I can just go ahead and just kind of cover that up, which makes it really helpful. But yeah. That's basically all it is. I don't have anything super interesting going on this week, honestly. I did do fasted cardio today, which you guys saw in an earlier clip. It was still kind of overcast and gloomy, so I was like, oh, okay. But you know what? I did it anyway, and the weather wasn't too bad. Like right now it's 73. Last week we had 100 and some odd degree weather, the entire week. So today's 73 with showers. So it's like a total night and day type of feel for today. But I still went out there. I put on my little hat. Even though it was kind of sprinkling a little bit, I still got out there and I walked around. I was not playing. I'm like, I got to get moving. I got to get active. So I am going to chow down on my food. I'm so hungry right now. It's a little after 4 o'clock. It's 4:07 according to the stove. So I'm going to chow down on my food. I got a few things to do around the house here. And yeah, that might be it. I'm just going to have to lay it on down because I am tired. But I will see you guys here, same time, same place, right back here on the channel tomorrow. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Tuesday, it is the 23rd of July, And I wanted to go ahead and show you guys my meal for today. Simplicity at its finest. So I had, I showed you guys on Sunday, Sunday, last week's vlog, that my husband had made these little burgers, like smaller, like kind of patties, which was perfect because 2 little burgers fit on just 1/2 of a bagel, which is great. The bagel I actually got from work. One of the reps brought it in this morning. I'm not exactly sure where he got it from, but I just got an everything bagel and I just split it in half and it's perfect. So I made 2 sandwiches, one for my hubby and of course one for myself. We both got 2 burgers apiece. With this half a bagel, I did put on a schmear of whipped cream cheese that came with the bagels. I did 2 slices of Swiss, and on my husband's, he loves Munster. So I did 2 slices of Munster on his, and then I did 2 fried eggs for me, and then 2 fried eggs on his as well. So no avocado or anything else that would make this super duper delicious, but my coworker's mom actually made some fresh coleslaw, like from scratch, which I thought was really cool. So she actually put some to the side for me, which was great. So now I get a little something, you know, refreshing and cool and everything else like that to kind of go along with my open-faced, you know, hamburger bagel sandwich. So that's what I'm having for today. Excited about that. For my iced coffee today, same thing. I just kind of put it in my Golden Girls mug as I watch Golden Girls here while I eat. And my water today, I did so great. I refilled on this. I did so good on my water. I'm very proud of myself. But I think that's pretty much it. We're just, you know, making use of what we have already, what we already, you know, prepared for the week. And I just found a different way to present it, basically. I could have done a hamburger bun. I could have did, you know, the keto bread that we had. But I was like, a bagel. That sounds like upside down day and kind of having like breakfast for dinner, but with a burger. So anyway, right now it is 4:18 in the afternoon. I'm gonna go ahead and break my fast here and go ahead and eat this yummy, delicious, you know, hamburger, mini burgers. Let's pull it up. There you go. Yeah, and I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, it's Wednesday, hump day. Half of the week is gone. Okay, that means I got 2 more days. I can make it through and I'll be just fine. But just wanted to get on here really quickly. As you guys saw, I got a little struggle meal going on. I have a sandwich, a little bit of chips, and some noodles that I made really quickly. Right now it is 4:56, almost 5 o'clock. I actually, went and got the nails done right after work. So I'm just now getting in. I am tired, okay? It's the middle of the week. I'm definitely ready to just relax and just chill out for a little bit. But yeah, so I used that remaining Black Forest ham on my sandwich, a little bit of that, I always blank when it comes to the salami for some strange reason. I want to say pepperoni, but it's not, it's salami. So I have the Black Forest ham, the salami sandwich on the heels. My husband left me the heels of the keto bread. So that's what I went ahead and made. On the side, I have these little baked barbecue chips that I got from the store. So I went ahead and popped those on there as well. And then on the side, because it's about to start raining, I did make a little pack of noodles there. It was like the soy sauce flavor. But yeah, it will fill the hole for today because I am hungry and I'm tired and I just want to go ahead and take care, eat my food and relax a little bit before tomorrow. For bubbles, I am having a Sunkissed Orange Zero Sugar, one of my favorites. I love orange soda. You guys already know, iced coffee on deck, and then of course my water cup, which I refilled today, so I was really happy with myself and very proud. So I am gonna go ahead and break my fast here with you guys today, but I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, so today is Thursday. Oh my goodness, one more day, guys. One more day to Friday. Thursday the 25th. Yes, because tomorrow's the 26th. That's correct. So Thursday the 25th, and I left my watch at home today. How dare me? Alrighty, so I'm just getting in right now. It is 4:14 in the afternoon. I stopped by Chipotle to grab us some dinner. So I have a large chips and guac here that we can share, and then I actually got a chicken salad. That's what it looks like. But yeah, I just got chicken salad. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Looks so good. I just got one little dressing to go on this to go with that. But yeah, that is my meal for today. I cannot wait. I am super hungry. Hubby got the a steak and barbacoa burrito bowl. But I just like, you know what? I need to incorporate a little bit more greens into my diet. So I just went ahead and went with the salad. So that is my base. But yeah, I will see you all tomorrow. Same time, same place, right back here at my channel. I hope you guys are having a fabulous week. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday. I had a full night's sleep. I feel so much better. And it is the 27th of July. So wanted to show you guys, we're actually prepping some food. We're gonna be making some kebabs on the grill. But I also just received food as well from my nephew's mom. So I wanted to show you guys that as well. All right, so here are the kebabs. They look delicious. I have a couple little pieces of corn there as well. But we did peppers, zucchini, onions, tomatoes, and we also had some that have a little bit of mushrooms in them, but not as many mushrooms this time. But we have this all covered up, and my husband is outside grilling right now, the kebabs and everything else like that. But over here, I just opened my door because Uber Eats was here and she actually bought me some pho. I love her so much. My nephew's mom. Yesterday, the 26th was National Auntie Day. And she was so sweet. My sister went ahead and bought me some pho. So it just got delivered via Uber Eats. So I have, I usually actually prefer veggie or tofu. So that's what I pretty much got, was tofu and veggie. And this looks so good. So I'm very happy. So now I get to chow down on something delicious. We have kebabs waiting in the wing, and then I also have pho for today. So I love my sister so much, and I appreciate her for even thinking about me, and it's great. So alrighty guys, so I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. It's been a really good day. It's been absolutely beautiful, even though the humidity has kind of gone up a little bit more. It's like every bit of 90 degrees right now, but it feels so good still. Right now it's about 3:31 in the afternoon. I wanted to show you guys this delicious spread over here that my husband and I created and made yesterday, so that we have some food for the week. So stay tuned. All right, so starting off strong, we actually turned on the oven. Yes, not oven, excuse me, but lit the grill yesterday. Lord, I can't even get the saying out my mouth. Alrighty, so we have grilled barbecue chicken wings. Over here we have kebabs. We actually have veggie kebabs, and we also have veggie and chicken kebabs. But they look so good. I had a couple pieces of corn in the freezer, so I just had my husband throw that on there as well. He also did some peppers and onions, and then it looks like some fajita meat that he made on the side so that we could actually have chicken and let's say dirty rice. And then we could also do fajitas, or we could have kebabs and, you know, corn and stuff like that. So we have at least 3 different meals here that we can definitely choose from and pick from, you know, throughout the week, which is perfect because I think at least 3 different proteins is just enough for the week. So I'm definitely gonna try my best to, I know last week we had 2 days we actually ate outside food. So this week, yeah, I'm trying to eat up all this food that was made and prepared and created. So this is what we're gonna be focusing on this week. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So today is the 28th. So we are literally, tomorrow will be the start of a brand new weekly vlog. We're going to be finishing out July and starting August. So yes, we are doing great with our 1 meal a day. 1 meal a day. And it seems to be working out pretty good. I went ahead and made my iced coffee on the side. And this is my last day using this cup. I'll go ahead and switch out to another cup here for tomorrow. So I'm going to get that all situated and squared away so that I'm ready for the morning. But yes, I will see you all here tomorrow. Same time, same place, right back here on the channel for a brand new weekly vlog. So you guys take care, and I hope you had and enjoyed an awesome weekend. Take care. Bye.